Hi guys, so the next lock that I will pick is the Wilson Bohanan from Leicester. It doesn't have a key. It seems like there's something that has been cut out of this lock here. Apparently the key. And let's see if I can pick it. Maybe the pry bar is not the best tensioner, so I'll use the bottom of the keyway. No, not this one. Yeah, this one should be fine, and I'll be using a hook that was made, that was given to me by Adrian Weber. So let's have a look. So 4 and 5 I picked, 2, give a click, and open. Here we go. It was number 2, that was the last one. So that's the Wilson Bohanan padlock. Let me have a look. How many pins are there actually? Maybe there are 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so there are 5 pins inside. Okay, thanks for watching guys. I will see you in the next video. Ciao.